Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week at everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, with news that the stage is almost set for a Fed hike. Private employers in the US hired more people in November than expected, and wage growth and productivity appeared to pick up in the third quarter, according to two sets of data out today. Neither will dampen the expectations that the Fed is on track to raise their benchmark interest rate in the week after next. The final data confirmation is expected to come at the weekend with the release of the non-farm payrolls report for November. Next week, the RBNZ will review our official rates, and markets along with economists are unsure whether a cut will come or not. This comes after the Aussies decided not to cut, and overnight Canada did the same, leaving it at 0.5%. Tomorrow the ECB will do its own review. A cut from virtually nothing in the main rate is not expected, but they are expected to increase the size of their negative rate for holding bank deposits. They really want banks to lend, rather than park funds with central banks. More QE is entirely possible too. In the UK, there's been an announcement that reinforces the changing nature of money. One of the world's largest banknote printers is reducing its size as demand for its products sink in the face of the digital age. Banknotes seem to be going the way of gold. The nature of money has changed and continues to evolve. In Australia, China has been blamed for a cyber attack on Australia's Bureau of Meteorology that may have compromised computer systems across their federal government, or so the Australian Broadcasting Corporation is reporting, citing unidentified sources. The BOM runs one of Australia's fastest supercomputers. In New York, the US Treasury 10-year yield benchmark is inched up to 2.19%. US benchmark oil price is lower at $40 a barrel, while the Brent benchmark is down to $43 a barrel. Larger than expected stocks of unsold oil products in the US is behind today's price falls. Oil prices are near a 6-year low, and a meeting by cartel OPEC this week is not expected to cut production. Price pressure will be with us for a while yet. Very low energy costs are keeping price changes low everywhere. The latest to release data on that is the Eurozone. The gold price also took another fall in trading today and is currently down $9 to $1,054 an ounce. New Zealand dollar slipped back a little bit on a rising US dollar, currently at 66.3 US cents. It's also down against the Aussie following yesterday's surprisingly positive GDP data, now at 90.7 Aussie cents, and is at 62.7 euro cents. TWI start today at 72.1. I'm David Chaston. That is 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.